What if the delay is the doorway to your destiny? Sometimes life feels slow, heavy, or uncertain, and you wonder, God, where are you in all of this? If you've ever felt stuck or confused, this passage is God speaking directly to your situation. 1. God exposes every false voice. Jeremiah 29:9. God begins with a warning. They prophesy falsely to you. I have not sent them. This means, not every thought, fear, or doubt deserves your attention. Every voice telling you it's over, it won't work, your prayer is too late. God did not send those voices. God silences discouragement so you can hear His truth clearly. 2. God's timing is not against you. It's for you. Jeremiah 29:10-11. The people were in exile, feeling forgotten. But God said, after 70 years I will visit you and perform my good word toward you. In other words, your life is not off track. You are right where my plan will unfold. And then He reveals His heart. For I know the thoughts I think toward you, thoughts of peace, not of evil, to give you an expected end. God is not confused about your destiny. Your future is not random. Your story will not end in shame or defeat. You have an expected end, a God-designed conclusion. 3. God is inviting you closer. Jeremiah 29:12-14. God says, you will call upon me, you will pray to me, you will seek me, you will find me. This is God saying, come closer. I want to walk with you through this. Your seeking is not wasted. Your prayers are not ignored. Your tears are not unseen. Then God gives a promise that shakes every chain. I will be found by you, and I will restore you. Restoration is not a possibility. It's a guarantee. 4. God will turn it around. Jeremiah 29:14-15. Whatever feels scattered in your life, God will gather. Whatever feels delayed, God will accelerate. Whatever looks broken, God will restore. The same God who carried Israel out of exile will carry you out of every burden, every setback, every hidden pain. You may feel like you're in a waiting season, but God is saying, hold on, seek me, trust me. I am working on your restoration. Your breakthrough is not canceled. Your destiny is not denied. God's plan is unfolding right now, even if you don't see it yet. If this blesses you, write in the comments, Lord, I trust your plan and your timing.